gotta come.
Where?
To my room.
Why? What happened?
Because we're gonna make bacon brownies.
Oh my god. Let's go.
TV. You guys have TV. What is that?
Gonna be.
Those brownies?
Yeah, with bacon in them.
For what? Brownies with bacon. With bacon?
Yeah. Would you like to try it?
Oh.
Did you make them?
Yeah.
They're real good.
Bacon?
Try it.
Bacon.
I'm alright. I don't know about bacon. That's breakfast.
They're
and
good.
dessert. What y'all making this? What y'all filming this for? What? Should eat it.
No, it looks really nasty.
It's bacon in it. It's bacon brownies. Brownies with bacon.
This is bacon brownies?
Yeah.
Try it.
You fucking kidding me?
You gonna eat it anyway.
I'm gonna eat it because it smells really good and it has bacon. Like, yeah, just save me a piece.
Just take one out.
I don't want to. I just got back from working out. I need to take a shower and all this other shit.
Take a little piece. Look, take a little
Did
piece.
you take a little piece?
Here, take a piece.
You're a liar.
No, we did, didn't we?
You guys are some lying ass.
Did we take a piece?
Are you sure
They
there's
took a
human
piece.
finger in there or something?
We're not Sweeney Todd.
He's over his head.
It's microwaved brownie bacon. Or bacon brownies. I don't know why I said brownie.
Well, you need to do more than that. Half of it.
What is this, Lauren?
That wasn't even nothing.
It's brownies with bacon. That's interesting.
You need more.
It's good.
Why'd you eat some?
I did.
We have been eating
Brownies.
them. Look, ready?
Is that enough?
No.
This is awkward. Am I gonna just,
You're not
is
getting
this
the
how I'm gonna
full
die?
taste.
Yes. At least someone has sense like me.
Okay. There.
How was it?
What do you think of it?
I didn't taste any bacon.
Oh. Just okay.
Wow. Thanks, Lauren. That was amazing.
I'm glad you liked them, Evelyn.
They were good.
So by now you're wondering, is it a good idea to make microwave brownies with bacon? And does everything with bacon? Of course it's a great idea. Tune in next time when we make more shit with bacon.